K turns choirs in the bay. Carbon fiber teaches night to obey. I don't chase luck, I set the tone. Dashboard, kingdom fully grown. Fully grown. Diamond grid on fingertip, paddles click like fate. Discipline is horsepower, focus calibrates. Neon rivers, marble thoughts, boulevard of strife. Every quiet morning put this thunder in my drive. Contracts tucked in glove, legacy in gear. I tune my inner weather till the forecast stay clear. Lanes like gold runes, reading what I wrote. Every mile a signature note. If the climb looks steep, I add another gear. If the doubt gets loud, I tune the engineer. Royal isn't loud, it's near. Composed, sincere. V12 halo, sing above the street. Choirs on the 808s, victory in the seat. V12 halo, night learns how I glow. Luxury's the afterglow of everything I sow. V12 halo, crown inside the tone. I make the storm my metronome. Rev, release, align, ascend. Curves, obey the lines I send. Rev, release, align, ascend. Limits fold, intentions bend. Harbor later, runway soon, itinerary of kings. But first this road and what discipline brings. Ghosted doubts in the mirror fall. I build my comfort for every stall. Leather whispers, you were built for rise. Wind delivers uncut skies. I run my standards like a firm. Return on focus, long term. If the rain throws doubt, I read the tire. Balance, patience, higher wire. I don't beg the crown, I build the choir. Purpose on fire. V12 halo, sing above the street. V12 halo, night learns how I glow. V12 halo, I invest in mornings, compound through the night. Turn small routines to sovereign light. When comfort waves her velvet hand, I tighten grip and hold the plan. When shortcuts promise sugar high, I fuel with craft that doesn't lie. I buy my time with hours earned. I keep the lessons I have learned. Engine V12 halo, over boulevards and bays, from tunnels into sunrise, through my ways. V12 halo, evidence in chrome. I brought the future home. Signal off, hard on, curbside calm and clear. Another empire, mild is here.
Chrome reflections on my door. Skyline bows when I arrive. Every habit forged in silence. Now the city comes alive. Marble stairs, carbon keys, discipline for flame. I wrote my surname in the ledger, then I welded it to fame. Contracts hum beneath the leather, numbers glow like dawn. I turn later into granite, now the gate is off and gone. I don't rent down destiny I draft and then I own. Loyal to the code, stone by stone. Crown in motion. Watch the emblems light from boulevard to harbor to a star-shot night. Pressure in the diamonds, doubts in the tone. Royal by the work, I built my crown in motion. Every block I raise, from silence to sirens to a stadium of praise. I didn't ask the skyline, I set the tone. Crown in motion, empire glow. Let the engine sing, hear the night bells ring. Etch the crescent crown, crown in motion. Velvet suits, iron will, protocol of grace. Shook the dust from old excuses, put ambition in their place. Balcony of orbit, glass that drinks the sea. Legacy is daily, not a lottery. I don't rent destiny, I draft and then I own. Loyal to the code, stone by stone. Crown in motion. Watch the emblems light from boulevard to harbor to a star-shot night. Pressure into diamonds, doubts into tone. Royal by the work, I built my throne. Motion. Every block I raise, from silence to sirens to a stadium of praise. I didn't ask the skyline, I set the tone. Crown in motion, empire glow. Let the engine, heat becomes my key. If the road is narrow, I redraw the street. If the world is noisy, I compose the tone. Royalty is earned, never loaned. Crown in motion. Low light, steel sky, city breathing in my lungs. Whose steps echo like drums. Tonight the climb begins. I stitch the storm to my jacket, lightning under my skin. Raise the gates of the morning, I'm built to walk in. Cold hands on the railing of 1,000 failed tries, but I learned the codes of heaven by the way the door's denied. Every scar is a signature that says I didn't fold. I turned the asphalt to armor, made a furnace from the cold. Maps on the wall with pins like constellations. I speak in blueprint, deal and declarations. Hungry like a comet carving through the dark. I keep a fire-fed engine beating where there was a heart. I gave my fears an exit sign, I gave my will the crown. I'm not here to borrow time, I'm here to buy the town. Of faith is forged in pressure, set the weight on my chest. I'm a bell made for ringing, hear the thunder confess.
Raise your banners high, let the skyline witness me. I've got a crown in my chest and an oath that never sleeps. If the world builds walls, I'll turn them into streets. Watch the night say my name as the mountains bow their peace. Stand with me, iron in our breath. I'm not asking for a throne, I'm building one from steps. Loyal hearts beside me, we don't bend, we don't guess. When the
Dawn writes the winners, I'll sign it with my sweat. Fire in my bones, drums in my feet. Doors turn to dust when I speak. Roar of the forge, march of the fleet. I carry daylight like a sword, I was born to lead. Numbers in the ledger, wrists in the margin. Stacks on the mind like towers in the garden. Suitcase faith, runway soul, take off mindset. Every no was a runway I ain't landed on yet. I don't chase gold, I meant it from purpose. Value from the ground up, substance over surface. Eyes on the summit while I'm laying the bricks. And I still say grace when I'm breaking the limits. I gave my doubts a deadline, I gave my craft a home. If fate won't send a letter, I'll etch it into stone. I'm wired to the voltage of a never fading yes. Let the city tune its heartbeat to the cadence of my steps.
raise your banners high.
to drown me. Now they're part of the choir, every doubt became a drum. Now listen to the fire, keys to the ground. Only when I lace the boots, roots in the storm. That's how you deepen roots, tell the past it can spectate. I'm busy with the crown, tell the stars take attendance. I'm the brightest in the town. If the gate is made of iron, then my name is made of flame. If they ask who lit the skyline, let them circle around my name.
Raise your banners high,
Let the skyline witness me. I've got a crown in my chest and an oath that never sleeps. If the world builds walls, I'll turn them into streets. Watch the night say my name as the mountains bow their peace.
stand with me, iron in our breath. I'm not asking for a throne, I'm building one from steps. Loyal hearts beside me, we rise as one, not less. When the dawn writes the winners, it engraves them in my chest.
City lights dim, but the vow stays lit. Forward is a habit, not a place I visit. If destiny's a question, I answer it with steps. Long live the work, long live the crest. Damn it.